Alright, we are back, and basically the problem was that, as you can see, the pins are not perfectly aligned in this one, and this is the first Raspberry Pi 0W that I ever bought, so it's been beat up like way too much. I was not very good when I started off with the whole soldering process, and so basically it's it's useless now. I mean, at least from the pins point of view, it's broken. So now I've connected up the newer one, the one that hopefully worked because I tested it out last night. So I can show you what it's supposed to look like when it is working correctly, or at least I hope. So we'll go into the check audio system one more time. And now again, I'm telling.
Center.
There we go. That's what you're supposed to hear. I'll do it one more time to make sure.
Front. Center.
Alright, so if you hear this message, then you know you've got the pins working. And so I will press Y or yes, and then it gives me this other thing. So then I will say I will press enter first and then say 1, 2, 3 testing. So enter. 1, 2, 3 testing. And unfortunately the volume is really low, so you probably didn't hear that, but it will repeat what you just said. And I'm going to say yes because I did hear it. So I'm going to put Y and enter. Alright, so that is the end of this little demo. And always remember to go into your dev terminal and type in sudo shutdown -H now to turn off your Raspberry Pi 0W, or you will destroy the SIM card that comes with it. Or you could just do this. Either way works fine. You could go and press this button over there. But anyway, never unplug it, because it will kill your machine. So yeah, once you have that done, just press enter, and you're ready to test out new things. I hope this video turns out to be very helpful to you guys.